say cry anymore! Ooh la la! What is all that yelling? You're gonna wake up Lana Lamb!
StoryTeller, the Easter Bunny is missing! Did you just say the Easter Bunny is missing? Yes, White Rat, the Easter Bunny is missing! Well, let me go check the subways.
Okay. Calm down. We're gonna wake up Lana Lamb. And I will check the Eiffel Tower. I don't think he's gonna be there.
And I am going to panic!
Oh no. Lana Lamb woke up.
It's okay, Lana Lamb. It's okay. The Easter Bunny is missing. Don't cry. We're gonna find the Easter Bunny. I swear. Okay. StoryTeller, you've got to find the Easter Bunny. For Lana.
Okay, I will find the Easter Bunny for Lana.
Hey, come on. I'll take you back to your crib. It'll be all right.
Okay, so we have White Rat checking the subways, and Gilles is checking the Eiffel Tower, and I will check inside the pages of this book, obviously. Well, I do not appreciate that lack of confidence. Let's look. Okay. Oh no. This is clearly where the Easter Bunny would be. Bum, bum, bum. Take a deep breath. We got this. Okay. Oh, well, the Easter Bunny. Does he look like maybe the Easter Bunny went on vacation or something? No, wouldn't go on vacation at Easter. It was the day before Easter, and spring was in the air. The forest animals had gathered at Blueberry Meadow to plan for their annual Easter party.
Ooh, Blueberry Meadow sounds delicious.
Yeah. It is a tantalizing title. Blueberry Meadow is where they always had their Easter party after the children found their eggs.
Oh, can I play the bear? Pretty please?
Oh, sure, why not?
Okay, I can't wait for our party, exclaimed Bear.
I'll bring the refreshments, said Fox. What? Hello? Oh, hello there. I am Farrah Fox, and I am very excited to be part of your story time.
Wow, well, welcome, Farrah Fox.
Oh, thank you very much. Now, where were we? Oh, okay. And just like that, we have a fox. Okay, why don't we start at the beginning, because I am a little bit, wow, blown mind and all. Aren't you too? When an animal just suddenly pops by that you've never seen before? Okay.
Okay, I'll start. I can't wait for our party, exclaimed Bear.
I'll bring the refreshments, said Fox. And I shall play the part of the other animals. The crickets are scheduled to play, said Frog. Their music is hopping. Oh, I love a good party.
I love a good hop.
Good. It's going to be good then. But, where is the Easter Bunny? Asked Fox, looking around. He's not here.
Oh, okay, this has to be you, it's not the bear.
Oh, okay. I'll do the mole then. Do you mind moving over? Oh, of course.
Oh, yeah, I'll be right over here.
Okay, thank you. How can we celebrate Easter without the Easter Bunny? Asked Mole nervously. Who will deliver the Easter eggs? Calm down, everyone, said Turtle. Maybe he just got lost. Let's try to find him. So, Bear,
that's me,
and Fox, that's me, looked behind every tree in the forest. Mole checked all of the... You guys, I can't really see the book. Oh, pardon me. I'm new here.
Oh, sorry about that. Okay.
All right, thank you. Okay, so Bear and Fox look behind every tree in the forest, and there's Mole. He's checking all the rabbit holes and burrows. Turtle and Fox, well, they were searching around the lake, and Turtle asked, "Any luck?" And the other animals shook their heads like so.
The Easter Bunny is missing, Bear said, sadly.
We've got to do something, added Mole. The children will be sad if they don't get their Easter eggs tomorrow. One of us will just have to fill in for the Easter Bunny this year, said Fox. It should be me. I'll show you why. Oh, I'm excited. This is the fun part. Okay, let's see. That's Fox's. Fox, you're quite beautiful. Thank you. Let's see here. Carrying a basket of colorful eggs, Fox led his friends out of the forest. Oh my, it's a boy fox and I'm a girl fox. Oh, it's okay, isn't it? Of course, it's perfectly fine. Oh, what did you say your name was again? Farrah Fox. Watch me, cried me, the fox, as I pulled out a pair of bunny ears. Oh, they look so good on me. Oh, I'll be the fastest Easter bunny ever. And she took the Easter basket and quickly raced around to the children's homes, hiding eggs under the bushes right there. But uh-oh, we got some breakage. And there they are trying to keep up because Fox is indeed quite fast, but there's Turtle leading in the back. Wait a minute, said Mole. You're too fast. You dropped some of the eggs along the way. Oh no. The carnage. Oh, you dropped the eggs and children will find them much too easily. Sorry, Fox, but you can't be the Easter Bunny. Oh, it was worth a shot. I thought you did a wonderful job and the ears look great on you. Thank you, Farrah, for trying. You're welcome. I'll be right over here if you need me. Bye-bye. Oh, hello and goodbye, everyone. Very polite, Fox. Let me do it, yelled Frog. I'm the best one for the job. Red Bear? Oh, I can hear. And why is that? asked Bear. Frog smiled. You've heard that Easter Bunny song, right? Hippity-hoppity, Easter's on its way, Frog sang. Well, who does hippity-hoppity better than me? Wow. Got a good point there. Frog grabbed the Easter basket and went bouncing down the path. Hippity-hoppity, Easter's on its way, Frog sang out. He didn't notice that some of the eggs, fell and crack, broke. Oh, Fox looks sad and Mole looks disappointed and Turtle looks alarmed, as does the bear. No way, said Bear. With all that bouncing up and down, you'll crack all the eggs. Oh! I should be the Easter Bunny, said Mole quietly. And Mole found the best hiding spots for the Easter eggs. That log is a really inspired idea. But he couldn't always find his way out. Sorry, Mole, said Turtle. Another would-be Easter Bunny bites the dust. I'd be the best Easter Bunny because I'm the strongest, said Bear. He loaded up his basket with dozens of eggs, but, oh no, there's a but. Oh no! As he lumbered down the path, he banged his basket against the trees. Ouch! Crushing, many of the eggs. Oh, I guess I'm too strong, said Bear, forlornly. Forlornly, a big and beautiful word that means really sad or kind of like this face. That's forlornly. That leaves me, said Turtle. He strapped the basket of eggs to his shell and toddled down to the path. But when he finally reached a hiding place, 30 minutes had gone by. That's like a million years in Easter Bunny time. Fox shook her head. By the time you finish hiding all the eggs, it'll be Christmas, Turtle. But it was a really nice try anyway. It's nice encouragement. I don't care, said Turtle. I still want to be the Easter Bunny. No, said Bear. I want to do it. And the animals argued back and forth, filling the forest with her shouting voices. And the racket got louder and louder and louder. And they're going to wake up Lana Lamb all over again. And what's going on here? A familiar voice rang out. Do you see it? I can hear you all the way down Daffodil Road. Easter Bunny! Frog shouted. You're here!
Where have you been? Although by the clothing,
Yes?
I clearly can surmise that Easter Bunny has been to Hawaii.
Ooh, a little tropical getaway before Easter? On vacation, Easter Bunny replied. Hawaii, you were right, Red Bear. I knew it! Was so much fun that I decided to stay a little longer. I hope you weren't worried about me. Now, what is all this fighting about? Oh, nothing, replied Mole sheepishly. Nothing at all. Sheepishly. It's a big fancy word that means this face. It's great to see you, the Easter Bunny said as he began putting Easter eggs into the basket because the Easter Bunny is quick like that. But now it's time for me to get to work. I have a lot to do for tomorrow. Hippity hoppity. And a big hippity hoppity to you too, said Frog, because he's the other hopper in the group. Happy Easter! And look at that. They've got the eggs, and I'm sure they hid probably the broken ones. They don't want the bunny to suspect that they were all auditioning for his job. The Easter Bunny skipped off to hide the eggs, and you know what? He did not drop a single one because this Easter Bunny is full pro. So,
He's back! He's back! See, Lana Lamb, I told you that Storyteller would find the Easter Bunny. Oh, okay. You're sleepy? And you want to dream of Hawaii? And chocolate eggs? Oh, you're the best, Lana Lamb. Come on, I'll put you to bed. I'm going to put Lana Lamb to bed, okay?
okay, thank you, Green Bear.
You're welcome.
Good night, Lana. You see, I told you, and I did not appreciate that you didn't believe me.
Okay, I checked all the subways, even the 7-line, nada.
Oh, mon Dieu! I checked the Eiffel Tower, all the stairs, all the stories, and rien. Oh, don't worry. Found him.
Ah, you're a genius. Let me guess.
Inside the pages of the book? Oui, inside the pages of the book. The book.
Well, congratulations then. Easter has been saved.
Ooh la la, enjoy your eggs.
Yeah, enjoy that delicious Easter basket. And remember, Easter Bunny, I prefer cheese to chocolate.
And whatever you prefer in your Easter basket, may it be filled with happiness and love, kid. Mwah!